Hey everyone, it's Michelle from Puzzle here, and today I want to walk you through how you can quickly tag the step type, the role responsible, and the tools involved without ever lifting your fingers off the keyboard. So let's get started first by adding a step to our canvas. And this @ feature works whether you're in the step name or the notes. So let's say, for example, this step represents the customer success manager sending an email to the client. I can use the structured data that Puzzle relies on to quickly tag these objects and have them associated correctly. So for example, I'm going to use the @ symbol and start typing customer success manager. There it is. I can see it's a role indicated by this icon, and I just hit enter. Now I can see that that role was just tagged here and marked responsible. So customer success manager sends. Now I'm going to hit @email. We see the icon pop up here, and that just changed the step type to email here on the step sidebar and added the email symbol on the bottom right-hand corner of our actual step here. I could even say our client via @gmail. I use my arrow key to go down on the right tool and hit enter. So I just did a whole lot of tagging without having to lift my fingers off the keyboard. Now I can come here and change client to informed. And this also works within the notes section. I can say the customer success manager sends email using @HubSpot snippet or template. Now I can see that HubSpot was additionally tagged as a tool here, the secondary tool, but if I wanted to indicate that HubSpot was the primary tool, I just have to click it and you can see it's now updated on the step type, but in this case it is Gmail as the main one. And then just as a reminder, this would be a great spot to add useful links. And if I was writing this step, I would add a HubSpot snippet, welcome email. And I would hyperlink this using our hyperlink feature for everyone to reference. So that's how you can quickly tag role, step type, and tools in both the step name and the step description. One last tip about this: when you're trying to tag your roles, it's referring to all of the roles that you have within your specific workspace. Because these role titles vary from company to company, we give you total freedom to add those roles yourself, and you do this in the Teams tab. So because I already have Customer Success Manager added as a role within this Teams section, that's why I was able to quickly reference it with that @ feature. So before you start tagging your roles specifically, make sure you add them either here by adding specific roles, or the other way you can add a new role is by coming here, hitting the plus sign, and hitting create a new role. All right, I hope this was helpful. If there are any other tips you guys want to see, please let us know below. Otherwise, we will catch you next time.